Okay, let's continue with our series of lectures about number systems. And today we're going to add numbers that's within the base 7 counting system. Now in base 7, we normally use only how many symbols? 7 symbols, and they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is 7 symbols, and there's not that symbol in here. So, for example, I want to add numbers, let's say 2, 6 in base 7, and we add it with 3, 5 in base 7. So here, oh, we can't see it, so I have to help with this. Okay, so here we could really see that when we add 6 plus 5, we get 11. 6 plus 5, so 6 plus 5, we get 11. Can we write 11 here, 1 and 1? No, we can't. Yeah, because you can't write this in base 7. So how we do is essentially we could say how many 7s are there. So you really have to, in a way, you could say how many 7s are there in 11. You have to say 1, right? So that 1 is written here. Yeah, we carry it over. Now, what's the remainder? The remainder is 4. And in a way, the remainder 4 is what you put in here. And then you could just ask how many 7s are there. It will be 1, 7, 2, plus 2 7s, that's 3, plus 3 7s, that's going to be 6. Yeah, so 3, 4, 5, 6. And so 2, 6, add 3, 5 in base 7 makes 6, 4 in base 7. Okay, I hope that is really, really clear. Let's have a different example. So let's use a different question now. Let's use a different question. So here we're going to say we're going to add numbers 40. Okay, 4 and 4 in base 7, add 5 and 5 in base 7. Yeah, you're going to add them. Now, what is 44? So then you have to add 4 plus 5. Yeah, 4 plus 5 is 9. Can we write 9? We can't because we're only allowed these numbers. So the question would be, how many 7s are there in 9? So how many 7s are there in 9, or 9 divided by 7? And so once we have this, so we say how many 7s are there in 9? We say ones. Yeah, so we got 1 7, and what's the remainder? The remainder is 2. So you put it down in here. And then we're going to add this. Yeah, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10. That is 10. Can we write 10? We can't. Yeah, because look, there's no symbol for 1 0 here. So what we're going to do is 10 is essentially how many 7s are there in 10? So it's 1. Yeah. So in a way, put 1 in here. And what's the remainder? The remainder is 3, and you put the 3 in here. So if you really think about it, and then you bring the 1 down here. So 4 plus 5, the answer, 4 plus 5 in base 7 is really 1, 2. And 5 plus 4 plus 1 is really, the answer is 1, 3, and then there's 0 bit in here. And that's your answer. Now, what's the homework? Well, I'll give you a homework which I really like. It's really, I just have to put my hand there so you could see. So the homework would be 6 3 in base 7, add 2 5 in base 7. What is the answer to that in base 7? Write your answers in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next episode.